Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Smok RPM is probably one of the most versatile and user-friendly pod mod systems available today, offering an impressive balance of power, portability, and customization that caters to both beginners seeking simplicity and experienced vapers desiring a compact yet capable device, making it a standout choice in a crowded market for its consistent performance and wide array of coil options. Number 5. Duracell Coppertop AAA Batteries. These are the trusted Duracell Coppertop AAA batteries. They are designed to power your essential devices reliably. Featuring advanced power boost ingredients, they deliver enhanced performance. This ensures your devices run efficiently for longer. This convenient pack includes 20 AAA batteries. You'll have plenty on hand for all your needs. Experience reliable, long-lasting power with every battery. They are engineered to keep your devices running when you need them most. Perfect for a wide range of household and office devices. Use them in remotes, toys, flashlights, and more. What we like. These batteries offer dependable, long-lasting power for your everyday devices. They are engineered with power boost ingredients to deliver consistent performance when you need it most. If you are looking for reliable energy to keep your household gadgets running smoothly, these are an excellent choice. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON to extract points from. Please provide product reviews in the source JSON to get helpful points. Number 4. Amazon Basics Portable Hard Drive Case. This compact case is designed to safely store and transport your medium to larger portable hard drives. It ensures your valuable data is protected wherever you go. Its slimline design makes it incredibly easy to carry. You can effortlessly slip it into any backpack or briefcase, perfect for on-the-go professionals. An interior strap and a robust zippered closure work together to keep your portable hard drive firmly in place. This prevents movement and potential damage during transit. Inside, you'll find a handy internal mesh pocket. This is ideal for neatly storing power cords, USB cables, or other small accessories, keeping everything organized. With internal dimensions of 5 by 3.25 by 0.4 inches, it offers a snug fit for many devices. Its exterior measures 5.8 by 4.2 by 1.2 inches, ensuring a compact yet spacious solution. What we like. This case provides essential protection for your portable hard drive. Its slim design and internal mesh pocket keep both your device and cables organized and secure. If you frequently travel or need to safely transport your external hard drive, this compact solution is ideal. What people say. Number 3. ONNIT Alpha Brain Nootropic Supplement. Feeling sluggish or unfocused? This powerful supplement is designed to help sharpen your mind and boost overall brain function. It's your daily dose for peak mental performance. Struggling to concentrate on tasks? It helps you maintain sustained attention, allowing you to tackle complex projects with greater ease. Stay locked in on what matters most. Forgetfulness can be frustrating. It supports improved memory recall, helping you remember important details and information more effectively. Keep your mind sharp and agile. Cut through the mental fog and experience crystal clear thinking. It promotes a sense of mental lucidity, so you can make decisions with confidence and precision. Formulated with beneficial ingredients like L-theanine and vitamin B6, it provides targeted support for your brain's health. These components work synergistically to optimize your cognitive processes. Beyond just focus and memory, it offers holistic cognitive support. It's crafted to nourish your brain, ensuring it operates at its best every single day. What we like. This supplement is designed to support various aspects of cognitive function. It aims to enhance focus, memory, and overall mental clarity. If you are seeking to optimize your cognitive performance for demanding tasks or daily mental sharpness, this could be beneficial. What people say. Number 2. GOXAWEE Rotary Toolkit G4007. This versatile rotary toolkit is perfect for all your handmade crafting projects and DIY creations. It makes an amazing gift for men, dads, or anyone passionate about crafting. It features a 3-jaw universal chuck for superior stability, allowing you to quickly and easily change accessories. This chuck accepts a wide range of shank sizes, making it ideal for projects requiring frequent accessory swaps. Remember to tighten it with the included spanner for secure use. With over 140 attachments, including a flexible shaft for precision, a cover shield for protection, and a drill locator for accuracy, it handles diverse tasks. You'll also find diamond cutting wheels for tough materials and extra carbon brushes, saving you time and money. Its easy-to-use variable speed dial offers 5 steps from 8,000 to 30,000 revolutions per minute, giving you precise control for delicate work. This compact, lightweight tool is ergonomically designed for comfortable handling and operates quietly. Perfect for sanding, polishing, cutting, drilling, engraving, and more, it helps you achieve various crafting tasks efficiently. Whether for home repairs or creative projects, this tool is a valuable investment. All components are neatly organized in a solid, fall-resistant, and moisture-proof carrying case. This makes it easy to store, lightweight, and perfectly portable for all your DIY and small family projects. What we like. This comprehensive kit offers incredible versatility for a wide range of crafting projects. It features a keyless chuck for quick accessory changes and variable speed control for precision work. If you are a DIY enthusiast who enjoys detailed engraving, sanding, or polishing, this tool provides excellent control and numerous attachments. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Unable to extract specific points as the source data is empty. Number 1. Welch Allyn 71000, a 3.5V rechargeable power handle. This device allows you to easily share images with other healthcare providers. These visuals serve as a clear descriptive reference, enhancing collaboration. You can store digital images directly in patient records. This feature significantly enhances exam documentation, making it more comprehensive. It provides the ability to view even the smallest details. This is especially useful for examining tubes and hearing aids with clarity. This handle is designed to be compatible with a wide range of Welch Allyn 3.5V power sources. This ensures versatile use across your existing equipment. It facilitates better communication and patient education. This can lead to improved patient compliance and better health outcomes. What we like. This power handle is compatible with a range of 3.5V power sources, offering reliable, rechargeable power. It facilitates easy image sharing and enhanced documentation for medical examinations. If you are a healthcare professional needing a dependable and versatile power source for diagnostic instruments, this handle is a practical choice. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.